like the pine trees lining the winding road. I've got a name, I've got a name, like the singing bird and the croaking toad. I've got a name, I've got a name, and I carry it with me like my daddy did. But I'm living the dream that he kept here. Moving me down the highway, rolling me down the highway, moving ahead so life won't pass me by. Like a north wind whistling down the sky, I've got a song, I've got a song.
That's where I'm going. That's where I came from. All right, these hikers are actually camped right next door to me at the campsite. They just passed me. And I thought the steps were steep on the last bend. So here we go. Chapstick. Get out here in the heat of the sun and all the wind. Oh, you're gonna wish you had it. Stairs. Somebody said there was gonna be stairs. I didn't hear that. Whew, these are steep. Okay, let's see. I don't know if you can see my watch. Where is it? But I'm 1.12 miles in, and I've gained 537 feet of elevation. My knees are hurting. My left kidney has started hurting a little bit. I'm thinking it may be because of how the backpack is sitting. So I'm gonna cinch it up. And I think I've decided to hike until the sun is directly overhead. And then I'm going to turn around and head down wherever I'm at. So that's where I'm headed. And that's where I just came from. Man, is it gorgeous. This is what I'm looking at. Well, gang, I couldn't make it to the top. My knees were giving out. I was starting to stumble. And honestly, I just ran out of gas as well. So I'm heading back down. I will have hiked, I think, about 3 miles and gained about 700 feet in elevation. So I didn't make it anywhere close to the top, and I'm a little bummed about that. But I'm trying to enjoy the fact that I'm in beautiful country. So anyway, here I go, making my careful descent so I don't roll an ankle or really mess up my knees any worse than they are. All right, later. Just a little update with how hard this is being on my knees to go down. This is where I'm going. It's probably better that I chose to leave now rather than later when I was much more exhausted. Anyway, I was just checking back in. See ya later. You know what beautiful sight that is? That's the trailhead. Let me tell you, I am so glad that I decided to come down now. I am shaking and stumbling, and my left knee is in excruciating pain, and my right knee is also in pain, just not as bad. So sorry for the complaining, guys. I just it actually reaffirms my decision to have turned around and come back down when I did. All right, later.
I've got a song. I've got a song. And I carry it with me and I sing it loud. If it gets me nowhere, I go there proud. Moving me down the highway, rolling me down the highway, moving ahead so life won't pass me by. Minds, but they can't change me. I've got a dream. I've got a dream. Oh, I know I could share it if you want me to. If you're going my way, I'll go with you. Moving me down the highway, rolling me down the highway, moving ahead so life won't pass me by. Moving me down the highway, rolling me down the highway, moving ahead so life won't pass me by.